Hi everyone, it's Milani and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to film the easiest, simplest, bronziest look for you guys, just using pretty much one shadow, but I also use a little bit of bronzer on my eyes, but yeah, pretty much it's just one eyeshadow. I really just wanted to test out a couple of new products that I had, and I absolutely loved the way it turned out. So if you want to see how I got this look and what products I used, or products I used, please keep on watching. Okay, so the first step is just setting our eyeshadow primer. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of bronzer. You can pretty much just use whatever you have, and I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm really just going to work this onto the crease. This is just going to be our transition shade. Doesn't have to be precise. Just want a really nice light wash. Like I said, this is going to be really simple, really easy. I really just wanted to test out these products. I've swatched it, but I haven't actually used it yet. So we're going to go in with this product right here. This is from the BeccaXChrissy Teigen collab. This is her second collab, and this is in Cinnamon Churro. The bottom part is a cream highlighter. It smells absolutely amazing. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that on my face at all, or at all during this look, but I do really want to use this shadow right here. So I'm just going to take this brush that I have here. It's a Luxie 249 brush. It's a double-sided. I'm going to go in with this side right here, and I'm just going to press this onto my lid. It's actually really pigmented and really pretty. And as you can see, I'm not being really neat. I'm not being rough either. I know it probably looks like I am, but I'm just really packing this on. I want most of the pigment and the color to be on the lid, and then I'm just going to buff this into my crease. Okay, and I'm going to flip the brush over and just buff the outer edges. I'm going to take the same brush, and I'm using the flatter side, and I'm just going to run this on my lower lash line. And flipping the brush over, gently run this under. So now you're going to curl your lashes and add mascara. Okay, so you can pretty much leave it right here, or you can go in with a little bit of eyeliner, your waterline. You can do, I recommend two options for this look. You can go in with a bronzy brown shade, or you can go in with a black. I'm going to show you what both of them looks like, but at the end I'm going to go in with the black. So this is Max Teddy. So it's really natural, as you can see, and this is going to be Max Smolder. So you can see the difference. You're going to add a little bit of mascara to your lower lash line. Obviously this step is optional. Okay, so I'm going to highlight my face with this product right here. This is in Cinnamon Sugar, and this is also part of her collab. And I'm just going to take whatever is on the lid. I really haven't been into a beaming highlight lately. I really hope this is picking up on camera, but this is actually really pretty. Okay, so whatever is left over on the cap, I'm just going to dust onto the brow bone area. And then onto my nose and upper lip. Okay, so I think I'm also going to go in with a little bit more and pop this into my inner tear ducts. Going back in with that brush, I'm just going to blend a little bit more. I'm going to use a little bit of this baked bronzer from Milani. This is the 5 Soleil. And I'm pretty much just going to run this on the apples of my cheeks. And then bring it back. I'm just adding a very small amount onto my temples. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I went in with Sweet Tea Lip Liner from Morphe and MAC's Freckletone Lipstick. But yeah, like you saw, it was really easy, super simple, super easy. Pretty much only used one shadow if you don't count the bronzer. And normally if I do a bronzy look, I typically would go for a more bronzy, brownish eyeliner in my waterline, but because I want to show you what it looked like with the brown and the black, I needed to kind of balance everything with the black because it was a lot harder to remove the black versus the brown. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.